having our Area 21 middle school bowling competition, and it's all about the kids having fun today.
Welcome to Jet Bowl, and today Summer Olympics 2025, and for all the people from different schools, like get here, and they were like about to win. You don't win, it's okay. It's a game.
They love to come and practice. They love to come, and I love bowling because it's a family. They get to come and practice. They come and compete against the other middle schools in our community, and they can come with the family in the weekend with their parents, with their siblings, with their cousins. I love bowling as a sport. They love it. They love coming. They love coming, and they really have a good time. And today it's all about teamwork and inclusion. And with the volunteers, the student volunteers, the coaches, I mean, it's all teamwork. And this event would not be successful if it wasn't for the help of everyone. It's a memorial, memories being built today, that the joy, encouragement, successful. They're just having so much fun. You can tell by the smile.